Say you, say me, say it from the ways. That's the way it should be. Say you, say me, say it together naturally. I had a dream, I had an awesome dream. People in the park playing games in the dark, and what they played was a masquerade. And from behind the walls of doubt, a voice was crying out, crying out. Say you, say me, say it from always. That's the way it should be. Say you, say me, say it together naturally. As we go down life's lonesome highway, seems the hardest thing to do is to find a friend or two that helping hand, someone who understands that when you feel you've lost your way, you've got someone there to say, I'll show you, I'll show you. Say you, say me, say it for always. That's the way it should be.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk to you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone. 'Neath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw
unforgettable. That's what you are. Unforgettable, though near or far. Like a song of love that clings to me, how the thought of you does things to me. Never before has someone been more unforgettable in every way, and forevermore. That's how you stay. That's why, darling, it's incredible incredible that someone so unforgettable thinks that I am unforgettable too.